and if you want to release, you need to pull this one. If any kind of Mercedes has this system, this is common failure for the Mercedes. Welcome to the channel. This is Mercedes CLS station car, but any kind of Mercedes, if you has a parking brake like this, need to press this pedal, and if you want to release, you need to pull this one. If any kind of Mercedes has this system, this is common failure for the Mercedes, because this car went to the other garage and they said they can't do it because that underneath unit, they said they need to replace it, because many people doesn't want to touch this one because bit complicated system. However, I have a easy method. I'll show you what happened first here. When I pull this one, need to release this pedal, but however, when I pull, nothing happened. It's stuck down. And also I'll show you start the car and what happened here. Basically, you can see here parking brake sign on. When I pull this one, nothing happened. That parking brake pedal stay down. It won't release. He just managed to barely come to the garage, and he asked me to change this parking brake mechanism. However, I'll show you small tips to try this one. If it work, you will be fine and you can save bit money. I'll show you. First, we need to remove, there is a 3 T25 screws underneath here, one there, and the one there. Then after that, you can remove this panel. Now we have access to the parking brake mechanism. You can see here, this is the mechanism, and inside you can see there is a wheel. When you see closer, you can see the cable running around. What you have to do, buy this miracle spray. This is WD-40, very useful for like this problem. Spray around this area underneath here. When you go underneath there, you can see that the cable and everything. Spray around this area WD-40 and leave it at least 5 to 10 minutes. Now I'm going to spray WD-40. Spray and leave it 5-10 minutes. Right, now I left it 10 minutes. After that, I'm going to do pull this one and pull that pedal. I had to do 5-6 times like that, up and down. Right, I done. Pull this one and same time pull that one. Done 5-6 times. Now you can see I'm just press the pedal. Now it's down. Then I'm going to pull this lever. See, it's come up. Basically, this one doesn't need a new mechanism. Try this method. It will work. If it not work, nothing to do. We have to change the mechanism. However, WD-40 work for this scenario. If you have a like this problem, Mercedes, this is very common problem. Follow this step. You will be fine. Now you know what to do. Thanks for watching. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. If you still not subscribe my channel, please do it now and press bell icon. Then you can get lot of useful video and tips like this. See you with the next video. Thank you.